At the time when we met on the day, we were given a full report by the department, by police. They gave us a full report. The social development gave us a full report. And of course, we are happy that there have been also an interaction between the province and the very first hospital doctor that saw, for instance, Cwecwe. And therefore now, there is no question as to whether there was or there was no rape, there was a rape. As a matter of fact, from the information that we have heard, is that there is a possibility that it was not even the first time that Cwecwe herself was raped. So it's something that needs investigation. So I think it is important that we get to the bottom of it, and that is why we are saying as a department, social development, and we can even go out to invite other stakeholders who are dealing with these issues to help go to these two schools and other private schools and interview children so that those who may have not come forward, if it may have happened to them, they can also come forward. So we've got just to do that so that we know as to whether the victims that we are talking about are the only victims.